Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get Merc 5 in Call of Duty Mobile on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the COD app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, look for Event, Special Offers or Store sections. Tap on it. Merc 5 often appears in limited time event or special offers. You need to keep an eye there first. Search inside those sections for the name Merc 5, champion skin or anything that says free Merc 5 or Merc 5 unlock. Sometimes it shows up as part of a daily login reward or champion pass or victory event. If it's not immediately free, usually there are missions or tasks to complete. They might require playing a certain number of matches, getting kills or objectives, logging in daily, achieving some rank or milestone. Do those missions. That's often what unlock the Merc 5 skin. Sometimes developer bring back Merc 5 through a soldier return program, a way for players to return after inactivity to get reward. If you see anything like that in your event or in your box or message, check it. Merc 5 is part of it. Once you complete the required mission or meet conditions, there should be a claim button. Tap it. Now Merc 5 should be in your character skin inventory. If you don't see Merc 5 right now, don't worry, it might return in another event. COD Mobile often re-release popular skins, so make sure you watch events, log in daily and check the store regularly. And that's it. By keeping an eye on event, completing mission and using special return programs, you should be able to unlock Merc 5 in COD Mobile on your phone. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.